iconic nitong kantang ito. Familiar ito sa aming lahat, sa lahat ng makakapanood sa'yo. Impressed na impressed ako sa taas ng boses mo. Pero,
Thank you po.
honestly, hinahanap ko yung connection mo sa amin.
Hindi ko po alam na nagsha-sharp ako. A date's gift.
Ang technique kasi dyan, talagang damdamin mo yung kanta. Wag yung parang, a date give the best of me. Parang, wala lang, dumadaan lang.
One moment in time, and I'm racing with destiny.
Take note lang yung when I'm racing with destiny. Hit mo yon. Medyo may konting flat lang. Katulad ng lagi ko sinasabi sa kanya, ang singing, hindi, parang yung motive mo is to impress yung audience mo. Kailangan din may connection ka. So, yun lang yung constant reminder ko sa kanya.
Oh, Darren, what a journey it has been talaga sa'yo.
Yes,
diba?
po.
From Canada, lumipad kayo dito sa Philippines para maabot ang iyong pangarap. At ngayon, nandito ka na sa The Voice Live semifinal.
Opo.
Kasama ng iyong mga mommy. Ganito mommy mo, diba?
Mommy at Daddy po.
Yes. Anong masasabi mo yung sacrifices nila para sa pangarap mo?
Mommy, Daddy, thank you po. Always remember, andito po kayo sa puso ko. At thank you po for taking care of me always and making all these sacrifices po.
Okay. Ngayon naman, meron pa kaming surprise sa'yo, okay?
Okay po.
Let's watch this.
Hi Darren, Tito Martin Rivera here, wishing you luck on your song. I want you to give it all you've got. You've got to sing every song like this is the last moment on earth. Sing this song like you wrote it, like it was meant for you. Own that song. Be Darren. Be raring to go. Fear nothing. Let this moment shine forever.
Thank you po.
Wow, the Concert King.
Opo.
Diba? Sabi niya, Tito Martin mo na siya. Anong message mo kay Tito Martin mo?
Thank you po, Sir Martin po, for all your support po. Thank you po for the greet po din.
Okay, now it's time.
Opo.
Simulan na uli natin ating journey papuntang stage because ikaw nang-aawit, Darren. Good luck!
Beautiful words from Sir Martin Rivera. Coach Lea is excited. At kasama din natin tonight, we'd like to acknowledge the presence of Chief Financial Officer of ABS-CBN, Mr. Aldrin Serrado. Hi, sir. Good evening. Okay. He's a singer, dancer, belter, complete performer na kukumpleto na rin sa gabi nyo. Muli niyo tayong papahangayin sa interpretasyon ng kanyang kanta na inareglo pa ng Ace Musical Director na si Sir Homer Flores. This is his one moment in time from Team Sarah. Let's give it up for Darren!
Each day I live, I want to be a day to give the best of me. I rise and fall, yet through it all, this much remains. Give me one moment in time when I'm racing with destiny. Then, in that one moment of time, I will feel eternity. You're a winner for a lifetime.
Leia, you have this smile on your face. Anong masasabi mo sa performance ni Darren?
Oh my gosh, the words phenomenal come.
Thank you
The
po.
word phenomenal is the only word I can think of for you
you
right
po.
now. That trip from Calgary to the Philippines was absolutely worth it for all of us watching you go from strength to strength. It
Salamat
was.
po, Coach.
You really took advantage of this moment, and your family had better be so proud of you. You were amazing. That was amazing.
In fact, naiiyak si Daddy ngayon, right there.
Where's Daddy? Where's
Napapaluha
Daddy
ngayon
over
si
there?
Daddy, nakaupo doon si Daddy. At ang napatayo pa, right after your performance, syempre, your very own Coach Sarah.
Hello po.
You're a winner!
Thank you po, Coach.
Darren! Naku naman, with that kind of performance, ito parang pang grand finals na talaga ito. Talagang you really seized that moment.
Thank you
At
po,
naniniwala ko na forever mong yayakapin ang stage na natutungtungan mo. Every stage na tutungtungan mo. Talagang handa ka na, Darren.
Thank you po, Coach.
At alam namin kung gaano ka nakagaling na performer, singer, dancer, at nasa iyo din ang good looks. Total package ka na,
Thank you po.
pero Darren, ramdam na ram ko that you are a good boy. You have this pure heart.
Thank you po.
At alam mo naman ang batang may talento at mabait na bata, binibless talaga ng Diyos. So, congratulations, Darren. We love you!
Thank you po.